Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can create a certificate design. Let's say you want to create a certificate where you can have your business logo, your content, and you can add any name here to whom you want to give the certificate. You can do this easily by watching this video. So after watching this video, you'll be able to create your own certificate design like this. And we are going to do this using a platform called Canva, where we have ready-made designs for certificates like this. So all we need to do is select the design we want and we'll edit it to create our own certificate. Now you don't need to know any editing software to do this. It's going to be very easy. Now this video is not sponsored, but it is supported by those of you guys who have purchased our courses and our ready-made website templates in 𝗀𝗶𝗃. We built this platform where anyone can launch their dream website in just one click. You can learn more about it by clicking the links in the description. So let's get started. I'm Brian from Website Learners and let's start creating our certificate. To create our certificate, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to choose a template for your certificate. So to choose it, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this website. This is the site which is going to help us create our certificate. Now to choose your design, click create a certificate. And as you can see, it is asking us to sign in. And then click continue with Google. Now select your account. And once you've signed in, here you can see a lot of designs for the certificates. You can choose the design you like. I'm going to choose this one. And you can see that we've got a certificate design here. Once you've got that, let's go to the second step, which is to edit this design. Now let's say you want to add your logo to the certificate like this. To do that, just click Uploads. To add your logo, just click Upload Files. Now select your logo and click Open. And you can see that we have got a logo here. To add it to our certificate, just drag and drop it here. Now to resize the logo, drag here. And once you've done that, let's say you want to change this text. Just click on it, select the text and enter the text you want. And it will be changed. Next, let's say you want to change the color of this design. To do that, just click here. Then click this color. Now here, select the color you want. And the color will be changed. In the same way, you can change the color here also. Just click here. And select the color you want. Okay, next, let's edit this name. Just click on the name. Then enter the name you want. Next, let's edit this text. Just click on it and enter your text. Now, let's say you want to remove this part. To do that, let's select it fully. Then press delete. And it will be removed. Next, let's edit this text. I'm going to enter my text. Okay, so now we've edited our certificate and it is ready. Next, let's go to the final step, which is to download the certificate. So to download it, click Share, then click Download, and again click Download. Now as you can see, our certificate has been downloaded. To check that, just click here, and you can see that we've got a certificate. Okay, so this is how you can create a certificate design. Let's close this. Now if we go to templates here, you can see that it has some premium designs. If we select a premium design, it says we need to upgrade to this design. So to upgrade it, just click here. Then select the plan you want. And click Next. Now if you make the payment, you will be able to get this premium design and then you can edit it to create your own certificate. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can create a certificate design. As I mentioned before, this video is not sponsored, but it is supported by those of you guys who have purchased our courses and our ready-made website templates in 𝗀𝗶𝗃. We built this platform where anyone can launch their dream website in just one click. So instead of spending hours and hours setting up your website and getting it to work, you can simply choose our templates and start putting your website into action in no time. You can learn more about it by clicking the links in the description. Okay, now if you want to know how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, then you can check out this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.